Okay, so that is Wash Me Clean. And basically we can break that song down into two different sections, and each section kind of has endless harmonies, but we're gonna do, I guess three harmonies for each part. So we're in 4/4 time, which is nice, and that 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of a beat. And it does stagger a little bit. You can sing this song in rounds, so if you have only 3 people, for instance, each person can take a certain harmony, and then you can sing it in rounds so that you're doing the rounds and the harmonies at the same time to give that diversity. But anyway, here's the different parts. We'll start with the first section of the song, which is the I pray the storm will break. Don't let it break me down. Water wash over me. Wash me clean. I'm going to actually take that a little higher because there's a lower harmony. So again. I pray the storm will break. Don't let it break me down. Water wash over me. Wash me clean. And then the second part of that, the harmony that goes higher is I pray the storm will break. Don't let it break me down. Water wash over me. Wash me clean. And then there is one that's even higher, which I'll give you, why not? I pray the storm will break. Don't let it break me down. Water wash over me. Wash me clean. And then we've got the one that's the lower one, which is I pray the storm will break. Don't let it break me down. Water wash over me. Wash me clean. Something in there, and you'll find it. So the second section is the and I lie in the rain till I'm born again. And then that funky, slightly higher harmony, which is a little bit dissonant. And I lie in the rain till I'm born again. I like those two. And then there's the and I lie in the rain, which is basically an octave lower than that really high one. Till I'm born again. And you can just change it up a little bit according to how comfortable you are. So the fun part is you can do those parts totally separately, where you have, you sing the first section, you sing the second section, and just do that. And then at one point, if you wanted to start in rounds, then basically you're singing the first section and the other group is singing the second section on top. But they don't quite start at the same time. And let me just figure out the timing here. We've got I pray the storm will break. Okay, so that is actually starting on the half beat. So it goes 1, half, 2. So it's like 1, I, 2, 1, I, 2. 1, I pray the storm will break. Don't let it break me down. So, and the second section starts on the, let's see. I pray the storm will break. It actually starts on the and, on the 4 and. So it starts just before the 1, which sounds a little complicated, but, so it's, and I lie. And the lie is on the 1, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And I lie in the rain till I'm born again. 2, 3, 4. And I 1, 2, 3, 4. And I 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a little tricky when those two parts come together because you have the they're both kind of hovering around that first beat, that one, and the first one comes just after and the second one comes just before. So have fun patching that in, and don't think too much about it, just kind of feel where it sounds good, and don't be afraid of trial and error and seeing how that just flows and how that happens, and you'll find it. Even if you have to go with like the second or third word once they're lined up, to make it a little easier to start, just start on lie in the rain, for instance, instead of and I, because it's just that little and I is ahead of it just a slightly bit. Okay, I'm just going over and over the same point. You get what I mean. So enjoy, and I hope you have a great week, and we'll speak soon again. Bye for now.